Sink the ice apart and break the frozen ground. What is that? Let it go! What is that?
Been traveling on his ship from afar. 'Twas like years of time since its mission did start. And over a village he halted his craft, and it hung in the sky like a star, just like a star. He followed a light and came down to a shed where a mother and child were lying there. And the stranger spoke. He said, "Do not fear." Once again, two ladies cried.
Elsa? Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I may never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? We're going out to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman or ride a bike around the house? I think some company's overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang in there, Joan. It gets a little lonely. All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know you're in there. People are asking where you've been. They say of courage, and I'm trying to. Right out here for you, just let me in. We only have each other, it's just you and me. What are we gonna do? The window is open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I've roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they're opening up the gates. All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing, because I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my
I see your
place.
like me. Jinx, 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 jinx.
Our mental synchronization can't have but one explanation. You
And I
were
just meant to be. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain.
Snow blows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Come keep me and let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. Instead to see what I can do to test the limits and break let the storm rage on. Power flurries through the air into the ground. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Og segist að það hjálpaði Muffin Elsu þar sem hann hafði alltaf langað til að upplifa sumarið. Hann elskar allt sem viðkemur sumrinu, að fara í sólbað og allt grænt.
Hey, I'm guessing you don't have much experience with heat.
No, but sometimes I like to close my eyes and imagine what it'd be like when summer does come.
Peaceful buzz, kids who go down the line fuzz. I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer.
Like drink in my hand, my snow up against the burning sand. Probably getting gorgeously tanned in summer.
You'll finally see a summer breeze blow away a winter storm.
Find out what happens to summer water when it gets warm. And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Just imagine how much cooler I'll be in summer. Then, the cold are both so
Oh, the sky will be blue. And you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
I'm gonna tell him.
Quando la
virðist kostur í, en engin máttur í krafta ber.
The clumpy way he walks,
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the piercing, squashing weirdness on his feet.
and though we know he washes well, he always ends up sort of smelly.
But you never meet a fellow who's as
Sensitive and sweet. So he's a bit of a fixer-upper. So he's got a few flaws. Like
There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, and you won't just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you had fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young.
A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope this is the one without any fear.
So this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The road is so long, and so happy